Hello developers. Welcome to this tutorial where we'll learn how to implement file picking functionality in Flutter applications using the file_picker package version 10.1.2. File selection is an essential feature for many apps, allowing users to select images, documents, videos, or any other file types from their device. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up the file_picker package in your Flutter project. Select single or multiple files. Filter file types. Handle file selection results. Display file information in your app. Let's dive right in. To get started, we need to add the file_picker package to our project. Open your pubspec.yaml file and add the dependency. Then run flutter pub get. For iOS, we need to add some additional configuration. Open the iOS runner info.plist file and add. That's it for this file_picker tutorial. You now have the knowledge to implement file selection functionality in your Flutter apps. This is incredibly useful for a wide range of applications: profile picture selection, document uploading, media sharing, and much more. Remember that file_picker works across all platforms that Flutter supports: iOS, Android, web, Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it a versatile solution for your cross-platform apps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other Flutter developers. Drop any questions in the comments below. Happy coding, and see you in the next tutorial.